This is my vegan crab and miso butter linguine with fried courgettes and a nori seaweed breadcrumb. It is such an impressive dinner that comes together in less than 30 minutes.
It's so creamy, so fresh, and so seafoody. Wow, I'm impressed.
Now, if you don't know about palm hearts, you got to get to know because they are a delightful little vegetable that we use in loads of vegan dishes as a seafood substitute. We're frying off the palm hearts with some vegan butter, absolutely loads of it, and some sliced courgettes and chopped garlic before adding in chilies and capers, which are going to add a salty, seafoody note. Then you're going to go in with some cashew cream to make it really indulgent. Dill and mint are the perfect match with anything seafoody, so they're going to go into the sauce as well, along with some compulsory pasta water and the cooked pasta. Finally, you're going to blend together a piece of stale bread with 1 sheet of toasted nori and a pinch of salt, fry it up and then cover your pasta in that beautiful breadcrumb. For the full recipe, just head to the link in our bio.